First, open the Google sign-in page and enter your Gmail address. Then click Next and enter your password. If Google asks you to verify your identities, you may see an option to use a security code or a QR code. Now on your phone, open your web browser and go to g.co/sc. After enter on web browser, you see and follow the instruction displayed on your screen. You may be asked to confirm that you are trying to sign into your Google account. Once the verification is completed, go back to the Google sign-in screen. Now you see your security code on your phone and enter same code on your Google sign-in page. Enter the security code provided by Google. Google will verify the code and you will be able to continue signing. You have successfully completed the Google account verification using g.co/sc. Thank you.